Number 5, you're not eating enough protein and healthy fats early in the day. If your first meal is mostly carbs, your blood sugar spikes fast, then crashes just as fast. And that crash is what triggers those intense sugar cravings later. A simple fix: build your meals around protein like eggs or Greek yogurt, and add healthy fats like nuts or avocado to slow digestion and keep you steady. Number 4, you're running on poor sleep. Lack of sleep throws off your hunger hormones. Ghrelin goes up, leptin goes down, and now your body is literally pushing you to reach for quick energy, which usually means sugar. Even one better night of sleep can reduce cravings the next day. Comment below. Do your cravings get worse when you're tired? And what's your go-to late night snack when that hits? Number 3, you're overly restricting sugar or carbs. When you label foods as completely off limits, your brain tends to want them more. That all or nothing approach usually backfires into stronger cravings later. A better strategy is controlled inclusion, small, intentional portions so you don't build that pressure. Number 2, you're dehydrated. Mild dehydration can feel like hunger, and your brain often translates that into cravings, especially for quick energy like sugar. Before reaching for something sweet, drink a full glass of water and give it 10 minutes. Cravings often fade. Number 1, your meals lack fiber. Fiber slows how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, helping prevent the spikes and crashes that drive cravings. Foods like vegetables, beans, oats, and whole fruits keep you fuller longer and make it easier to stay consistent. Follow good food logic for more smart, practical, healthy eating tips. Comment below which one of these hits you the hardest and what your biggest sugar craving is: sweet drinks, snacks, or late night desserts.